Well, this is the math we are going to solve today. To solve this math, I have already prepared my specimen for general journal, and here it is. So I will record these entries into this table. Okay, so let's read the problem, practice problem, and the transactions. 1. Paid taka 20,000 to the advertising agency named Adcom. So we have paid taka 20,000, so cash account must be credited, because we know we pay any expense mainly through cash. Here one important thing is what will be the other account. Cash account must be credited, but what account should I debit? Here you cannot debit the advertising agency Adcom, because who you pay or which institution you pay, it doesn't matter. You incurred an expense. That matters most. So we have to write the name of the expense, and here is the expense named advertising expense. The name of the expense is advertising expense for this transaction. So let's write here 1. So advertising expense account debit, and cash account credit. Cash account credit. We have to write like this to make it easy for the readers. That which one is debited and which one is credited. It is a system to record transaction into journal. Okay, so taka 20,000 debit and taka 20,000 credit. Let's write a short description. Paid advertising expense by cash. Done. Okay, number 2. Okay, 2. Goods distributed at free of cost to the customer with worth taka 3,000. Okay, so from our study we learned that when goods are distributed at free of cost, we mean goods distributed for advertising of the business. That means because of advertising purpose, the company or the business distributed goods at free of cost to the customer. So here is the expense account, and that is advertising expense. So advertising expense account debit, and since we distributed goods, we know when goods reduced because of distribution or use, we have to credit purchase account. So for this transaction we need to credit purchase account. So purchase account, please don't forget this rule. When goods is reduced due to destruction or distribution or any other reason, we have to write purchase account credit. So purchase account credit. Okay, right. Then right here 3,000 debit and 3,000 credit. Okay, goods distributed for advertisement. Okay, done. Then number 3, cash taka 5,000 and goods worth taka 2,000 are withdrawn from business for personal use. Since goods and cash both are withdrawn for personal use, so we have to debit our drawings account. We know when anything withdrawn from the business for owner's personal use, we have to debit drawings account. So let's debit drawings account debit, and for cash we have to credit cash account. For cash we have to credit cash account, so cash account credit. And for goods, we saw earlier that for goods we have to credit purchase account. For goods we have to credit purchase account, we saw earlier, right? Okay, so right here under cash, that is purchase account credit. Cash credited because of cash withdrawn, and purchase account credited because of goods withdrawn from the business, and drawings account debited because withdrawn are done for owner's personal use. Okay, so right here 5 plus 2 equals 7,000. So 7,000 here debit, credit them cash account 5,000 and goods account, or purchase account. For goods, purchase account credit 2,000. We know according to double entry system, always debit equals credit. So if you sum these two credits amount, then you will get debit amount 7,000. Okay, so you must have to equal them, otherwise it will be regarded as mistake. Okay, and you will lose marks in your exam. So cash and goods withdrawn from business for owner's personal use, like this. Okay, so number 2 done. Number 3, sorry, this is number 3. Okay, I forgot to write number. Okay, so number 4 now. Number 4. Okay, bank allowed interest of taka 1,000. So bank has allowed an amount of interest to my account, so it will increase my account, so I have to debit bank account. So let's write bank account debit, and since bank interest is revenue, so I have to credit it. Since bank interest is a revenue, so I have to credit it. So let's bank interest received the revenue account, so I have to write credit. So shift it to the debit and also shift it to the right there. Okay, all right. So because of interest allowed, my bank account got increased. So because of bank interest, my bank account get increased, so I debited bank account, and being revenue account, I credited bank interest received. Okay, so right here 1000 and credit 1000. So right here bank interest received, done. Okay, now 5. Okay, number 5, charge depreciation on furniture taka 3000. We know when we need to charge depreciation, then a depreciation account must be debited. Then a depreciation account must be debited, and credit account will be accumulated depreciation respective furniture. Accumulated depreciation respective furniture. So according to our rule, we can write here depreciation account debit and accumulated depreciations, accumulated depreciation. So depreciation account credit, sorry, respective account furniture. Credit. Let's write in short. Write it here. Credit. Okay. So. Okay. So depreciation amount 300. So 300 debit and 300 credit. Okay, depreciation charged on furniture, right. Okay, so number 6, discount allowed to the customer taka 200. Discount allowed to the customer. So this is discount related journal. So we know for discount allowed, we need to credit debtors account. We need to credit debtors account, and discount allowed is an expense account, so we need to debit it. So we need to debit it. So right here discount account allowed account. Sorry, discount allowed account. Allowed account debit and debtors account credit. Okay, right. So right here 200 debit and 200 credit. So right here discount allowed to debtors, done. Okay, so 7, last one, the owner paid personally the business loan of taka 40,000. So business loan was paid by the owner. So we know when owner incurred any expense or expense of the business from his personal cash or asset, then we need to credit capital account. And since business loan had been made repayment, so we need to debit loan account. We have to debit loan account. So write loan account debit and write capital account credit, since owner paid the business loan from his personal asset or cash, so it will increase his capital, and since the loan of the business has been repaid, so we need to debit the loan account. Okay, so right here 40,000 debit and 40,000 credit. Done. So we have recorded all the transactions into our journal book. So now we need to add them. So add here equal sum them up. So 71,500 and just 71,500. So both are equal. So we are confirmed that there is no mistake in our recording of the journals. So this is the solve of this prescribed math. I think you have all understand the procedure how to record journal entries of these transactions. So that's all from today's lecture. We will meet in the next video soon. Okay, goodbye.